So let's take this example to understand strings a little bit better. So we have initialized a string, we have declared a string a string, and here initialize it to a last stop. Notice that this is computed during runtime. So we're computing at line 10 a string dot length. So a string dot length comes out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is printed out to be 10 since last stop is of 9 characters. So this line prints 9. Then when we print a string dot to uppercase, this is again done during runtime. So it essentially prints last space stop. Next, line 12 a string to uppercase. So again this is computed during runtime, and then this is also added in the end. This is called string concatenation. At line 13 a string dot length plus 1. So first a string dot length is computed, which is 9 as we computed here above, and then we add 1 to it. So this is essentially written as 10. This is what is printed. Now in this scenario 1 plus 9, so it would be 1 plus 9. This is essentially 10. This would also print the same thing. Now at line 15, this is a bit tricky. 1 plus a string plus 1. So what is essentially is 1 plus last stop, that is in string, plus 1. So this will evaluate to first, since we're using a plus operator is a left to right assignment of left to right operator, so its operation is evaluated from left to right. So this will essentially evaluate to 1 last stop. This would be the second step, in which the string will be concatenated to this integer, and then we have plus 1, and then this would again then be evaluated to. So this is how the process happens. First this one is added to the last stop, and then in the end this one is evaluated, and this is the output that we get, 1 last stop 1. Again, to reiterate, we have here a left to right evaluation in line 15. Now that we have done this, we evaluate this part, line 18 a string plus 1 plus 1. So a string is essentially last stop, which is a string, but here we have a brackets, right? So brackets are given priority, so this equation is first evaluated. So this essentially comes out to be last stop, sorry my bad, last stop plus 1 plus 1 gives you 2, so this would be 2. Essentially this is how it is written, and then this is essentially the final output. So let's compare our analysis with the output. See, 9 last stop full stop, 10 10 1 last stop 1, which is printed exactly as it is, and last stop 2.